Kojo in my car waiting to do some rescue. Today is pretty windy day and I want to see how he will do. The last time was snow and wind. Today morning was all just rain and the snow started to melt. So some of if it started to rain while we're working, then the scent will be washed away, and this is a new thing for Kojo. So we'll see how he does it. He have his equipment ready, and I'll let him decided to go to search for her. Okay, let's try this. Kojo, come on, ready to work? Ready to work, buddy? Go search. It's pretty windy, and the wind blows all the scent away. So he's checking every point. That's the point, actually, the starting point of he's checking it out. He gave me the look, mean like, okay, let's follow this direction. That's what we call a recall. Yeah, buddy. That's a boy, Kojo, and he did great, and the victim's still alive. Yay! Thanks for Essential Shepherd. You can check our website at www.essentialshepherds.com.